In today's episode, you will learn how to make a perfect Nigerian tomato pepper soup recipe. This is popularly known to the Nigerian EDO-BENIN people. Guys, this is so delicious, mouth-watering, and in fact, a must try. You can actually enjoy this pepper soup with some white boiled rice, cassava fufu, pounded yam fufu, or even rice fufu. For this video, I'll be using rice fufu to enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you. So the very first step we are going to do for this recipe is to steam the protein. For this video, I'll be using some goat meat. In this plate here, I have a combination of 1 green chili and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Next, I'm going to add a combination of 1 teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of dry rosemary, and half teaspoon of black peppercorns. The next ingredient is salt to taste and aromat. I have here 1 tablespoon of each. On the background there, you can notice the aromat container. Alright, lastly, I'm going to add just 1 onion. I will use my knife and dice it. Okay, so I'm going to keep the spicing of the protein as simple as possible. With the help of my spoon now, mix and combine. Just mix to coat everything perfectly. I'll turn my heat now all the way down to the medium settings and allow this meat to cook in its own juices for exactly 10 good minutes. Okay, the combining process is ready. Everything is set. Take a good look at that. Alright, so I'm going to just cover up the pot. Here I've got some tilapia fish. Precisely, I have here 2 tilapia fishes. So I'm going to place it right into the pot. To this, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Use my hands and massage the salt into the fish. Make sure your hands are neatly washed and clean. I just want the salt to sit into the fish until it is time to make use of it. I'm going to leave the pot here. Garlic and grain of Selim. So grain of Selim is what the Igbos call Uda. Throw it there into the blender. You notice I've got some water to propel the blending process. Alright, next I'll add ginger. This soup is going to be a bit spicy. If you don't like spiciness, reduce it. Add 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 green chilies, purple onions. Use any onion of your choice. A little handful of fresh parsley. Fresh parsley is going to bring in a very nice taste and flavor to the base of this pepper soup. 2 red TATASHIE peppers is going to help with the sweetness at the same time the color. 11 pieces of freshly washed fresh tomatoes. Okay, so I will dice everything, add them here in the blender and blend it smoothly. These are some dry fish which is going to replace my crayfish. Yes, I'm going to add it here to mince it together. Back to the pot here. My people, the goat meat smells so good. It smells so nice. Let me just show you what we are having here. So this is 10 minutes later. I'm going to pour it right into this pot. Add the tomatoes inside the pot. Okay guys, so in my hand here is some smoked fish. So I've gone ahead to wash it properly with some hot water. Now I'm going to transfer to the pot. Feel free to use any smoked fish or any fish of your choice for this recipe. In fact, the more fishes you use, the better, the tastier it gets. I will now increase the heat to the very highest. I'm going to cover it now. Give it 10 to 15 minutes to boil so that the flavor of the tomatoes, every ingredient in this pot is going to wake up. And we are doing this on the highest heat. I'm back 10 to 15 minutes later. My people, this place is oozing with a very nice aroma. Alright, I've been cooking on the very highest heat, so now I've turned down the heat to the medium. The tilapia has marinated for exactly about 30 minutes or even up to that nature, 1 hour. So it's going to adapt to the flavor here. The last ingredient I'm going to add now is some pepper soup spice. We're going to add pepper soup spice. After all, what we are making is pepper soup. Once you add the pepper soup spice, you're going to taste to confirm your seasoning. You need to add some seasoning cubes, add it. If you need to add more salt, add it. So once I mix everything, I'll taste to confirm my seasoning. I will allow it to simmer on a very medium to low heat. That way all the flavors is going to pop. If you want to add more smoked fish, anything you want to add, just add it now because this soup is ready. Guys, so I'm going to add just a little bit of aromat here to boost it of that. I will also introduce a little bit of salt. I'll gently give this pot a good mix, combine everything. I'm going to simmer it down like I said earlier on for exactly 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, so you're all welcome back. Exactly 15 to 20 good minutes now. Our pot has been simmering beautifully. So now the soup is completely ready. Now you can see the oil has come at the top of the soup. We made this soup without any drop of oil. The oil you're seeing in this pot came from the goat meat, okay? Yes, it came from the meat. Look at the appearance. Take a good look at that. You see that? So everything is ready. I'm going to give it a mix. The light soup, the pepper soup is good. Guys, it smells so good. You're going to love this soup. It smells really good. It tastes so amazing. Forgive me if you think I'm talking about it too much. That is because it's the reality. The aroma oozing from this pot, oh, it's so nice. Same time, the taste of this pepper soup is so amazing. You're going to enjoy drinking this. Pair it with your white boiled rice. Like I said earlier on, you can use pasta, you can use pounded yam, cassava fufu, any fufu of your choice. Go for it to enjoy it. It's nutritious, healthy, and sumptuous, okay? Alright, my beautiful people, here we're going to draw the curtain for today's recipe. Let me also remind you that the rice fufu recipe will be dropping very, very soon. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, share my video with your friends and loved ones. So we have come to the end of today's recipe. Enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. Here I am pairing it with some rice balls or rice fufu. Don't forget to drop your feedback for me. Let me know how the outcome turned out for you, okay? Stay tuned. Remember, variety is a spice of life. Until I come your way next time, bye for now.